Hey guys, it's Jen and I'm gonna show you a winter nail idea for beginners. This look is inspired after snowy mountains. I'm using nail art stickers for the mountains. Start off with base coat. The base coat creates a barrier to protect your nails and may be fortified with vitamins or minerals. I'm using the Sally Hansen Diamond Shine base and top coat. I linked a similar product below. Once the base coat is dry, I painted on my white nail polish, Sally Hansen Insta-Dry in Pink Pursuit. On the other nails, I painted on my gray nail polish, Sally Hansen Extreme Wear in Heavy Metal. Once the first coat is dry, paint on a second coat. The second coat enhances the color, makes it look more even, and adds durability against chips and cracks. If you're clumsy like me, you can clean up the edges with nail polish remover and a brush or cotton swab. I'm using nail stickers for beautiful yet quick and easy nail art. All you do is bend it a bit, pick it up with your tweezers, and lay it down on your nail. Because this is a normal sticker, you won't be able to adjust it, so be careful with your placement. Cover it with a layer of top coat to protect it. This was my snowy mountain winter themed nail art inspo. As a challenge to you, consider minimizing exposure to water by wearing gloves when doing water heavy tasks like washing the dishes. Water causes your nail plate to expand, but your nail polish is not adaptive, which results in cracks when the water eventually evaporates. I'll be releasing a smoky gray mountain makeup look to match this nail tutorial, so watch out for that video too. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It'd mean a lot to me if you did. Thank you for watching.